Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the new Ticwatch GTX. We will see what we have from this smartwatch. So here we have the new Ticwatch GTX. We know about this watch that it has 14 different workout modes, custom watch faces, and up to 10 days battery life. You can see here at the bottom we have some specifics. Also, at the back we have 7 to 10 days, IP waterproof, sleep tracking, music control, heart rate, metal frame, and as I said, 14 workout modes. So this is the package of the Ticwatch GTX. You can see very good looking package and very good packed. So we have two packages here. In the second one we have the watch itself. You can see very good protected. We have here the watch with foam, as you can see right here, and with different types of protection. Let's get that aside. You can see right here we have another package, and in this package is included the charger for the Ticwatch. Let's see here what charger do we have. So you can see we have the typical 2-point charger, as well as the user manual, like always at the bottom of the box. This user manual is in English and Chinese as well, and it includes a lot of things that are very important to read. So this is what we have in the package itself. Let's go ahead and try to power on the Ticwatch, see how it does. So you can see, as we mentioned before, the metal framing, it looks pretty good. We have good bands and very good quality through this watch. Press and hold the button, it vibrates and it powers on immediately. You can see very bright and very good quality of the screen, which is very important. We have here very good and beautiful face. At the top we have do not disturb, find phone and settings as well. Also we have percentage of battery and date at the top. So this is the taskbar of the Ticwatch, and the left we have heart rate, sleep hours, stopwatch, timer, we have the weather, and we have the sport sorting from outdoor running, outdoor cycling, jump rope, swimming, indoor watering, rowing, freestyle, mountain climbing, indoor run, gymnastic, and we have soccer, basketball, yoga, and that's it. So as you can see we have plenty of them. We have some notifications here at the top, as well as the things that we did throughout the day, like here, like you can see right here. So this is the menu and the things in the Ticwatch. Press and hold to change the faces that you have saved in this watch. Also you can download more in the app, which we will see that in the video when we show you how to connect it. So this is the software of the Ticwatch. Let's begin with some tests here immediately. Let's see how this will measure our health caring and other things. You can see the time at the top, seconds, heart rate, burn calories, and we have only these options that we can see. But when we press, you can see we have the distance, steps, and other information. So I thought that we have more in the Ticwatch. Let's begin with some tests and the heart rate. I'm going to strap the band more so it's pressed against my wrist, so I get more accurate data for you guys. You can see we have immediately the first option, which is very good and very fast actually, and that is impressing. You can see we have here the statistic, and we have the lowest and highest heart rate that we measured before. So let's wait and see how fast it will measure. You can see we have some result, lowest and highest, as well as the statistic. So the heart rate of the Ticwatch goes on and on in real time, it never ends. So you can see it's still measuring, and it will continue to measure our heart rate. So this was the heart rate. We have here the settings for brightness, restart, reset, power off and about, and this is basically what we have here in the Ticwatch GTX. We don't have anything else to test here. All this data will be saved in the app that we will see later in how to connect video. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.